irritating.
You know, bro, listen. It's okay, just, the brother is...
Okay.
No portrait. It is
No.
you feel vomiting.
Yeah,
First
yeah,
time
yeah.
it is dangerous. First time. After that, no problem. But first
See, that makes me excited.
Excited, you know. If you are excited, bro, if you are excited, then you can take this.
Getting a peso?
Yeah, no, it's just free. It's free of cost. It's just for rupees of 10 rupees.
10 Pakistani rupees.
Kashira, okay. Kashira.
Just take it. It's not a, drug style.
No,
It's
just
not
relax.
just
Relax.
relaxation, Oh, bro, it's not for money.
Not
It's
for
not
money.
for money.
It is a gift for you.
Oh, bo, Kashira. Oh. Thank you.
Just for 10
Don't take it because it's
I'll take a little bit.
because he is edited.
Yeah,
You
but I will
You
talk,
are new.
Bro,
Yeah, but I will
listen,
talk honestly.
bro, listen. Just search it on Google.
Yeah,
You will be,
You can
just
take it.
justified.
Yeah. Sometimes in London I'm a naughty boy. Yeah, it's like
Naughty boy. If you are naughty boy, then
so
then
it's
take it.
okay.
Then take it.
Kashira.
It is not too hard, but first time it is hard.
First one small.
Yes.
You know. Yeah.
When the taste goes inside.
Yeah, so I will have dinner, relax, have some.
Yeah, when you relax on room,
Yeah,
that
yeah.
no problem.
Yeah,
but you
yeah.
run and this,
No.
you feel
When I jump mountains, people want to share hashish. And I like hashish, it's good, but no.
yes. Stand loose.
If you this stuff is sweet,
Uh-huh.
and after some time you will be realize that I will be true and this guy will be wrong.
I think you're right.
Yeah, I am. You want to take some picture with you?
Yeah, go.